All right, welcome back. Now what we're going to do is we're going to talk about some general ideas when it comes to solutions of systems of equations. Okay, there are three outcomes when you're testing points or you're trying to find out if what the solution set is or if there is a solution. So here are the three outcomes that are possible. One, you could get one unique solution, right? Just like in the last example, we tested that point, right? You might end up just getting one solution to your system, right? So one unique solution. So that would be in the example of what I had said, is that where the two lines intersect. And so in the previous example, that was actually this, what happened, right? So we found that that first point was where the two lines intersected. And so therefore there would be one unique solution, and that's where the two lines intersect. Okay? Now, what about, okay, so the other, another outcome could be that there's no solution to the system. So in this case, you end up with lines that never intersect. And the only type of lines that never intersect are parallel lines. So in that case, if you have parallel lines, you will have no solution. And then the third outcome you can get is infinitely many solutions. And that's where you have a line on top of a line. So basically they represent the same line, right? So you could have something like this where you have a line and another line that's right on top of it. Okay? Now, if you have no solution, we call this, whenever this happens, results from an inconsistent system. Okay, so that's terminology for you to know. Okay, so anytime we have no solution, we say the system is inconsistent. Anytime that you have, let's say, a system of equations where they have infinitely many solutions, we say that the equations are dependent. So the equations are dependent. Okay? Okay. You could say a dependent system, or the equations are dependent. This would be more accurate in my opinion. Okay? You would call the system inconsistent. Okay? I believe in either one of these cases it might be a consistent system, but it might be this one here. But anyway, these are the two that I want you to know. All right? So that's it. Just remember, those are the three possible outcomes when solving or trying to find the solution to a system.